Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am Mohammad Mukhtar Hussain, English মোহাম্মদ একাডেমি সবাইকে স্বাগতম শুভেচ্ছা এবং অনেক অনেক ভালোবাসা জানাই। We want to learn English, how to speak English, how to practice. Today's lesson, we are going to discuss an interesting topics: how to speak English and how to make W question and yes no question for our daily life. Suppose we can say, what is your name? My name is Mukhtar Hussain. How are you? I'm fine. And you? Where do you live in? I live in a village named Bishi Shaurai, Kalokhali Rajbari. What do you do? তুমি কি করো? I am a student. I am a teacher. In this way, we can practice. How old are you? তোমার বয়স কত? তখন আমরা বলি কি যে I am 53 years old. Okay. Next, where are you going? তুমি কোথায় যাইতেছো? I am going to school. I am going to office. I am going to market. In this way, we can practice. Next, though, what do you want? তুমি কি চাও? I want a cup of tea. I want a cup of tea. আমি এক কাপ চা চাই। Yes, no question. Are you busy? Yes, I am busy because the examination is knocking at the door. Do you understand? তুমি কি বুঝছো? Yes, I understand. হ্যাঁ আমি বুঝি। Next, who is he or she? সে কে? He is my father or mother. In this way, what is this? এটা কি? It is my mobile phone. Where is your mother? তোমার মা কোথায়? She is in the kitchen. সে রান্নাঘরে আছে। Okay. Do you have any brother? তোমার কোনো ভাই আছে? Yes, I have a brother. হ্যাঁ আমার ভাই আছে। How many members in your family? তোমাদের পরিবারে কতজন সদস্য আছে? We are 4 members in my family. Okay. Where is your school? তোমার স্কুল কোথায়? My school is near my home. আমার বাড়ির নিকটেই স্কুল রয়েছে। Who is your English teacher? কে তোমার ইংলিশ টিচার? My English teacher is Mohammad Mukhtar Hussain. What is your favorite subject? তোমার প্রিয় সাবজেক্ট কি? English is my favorite subject. Did you do your homework? Yes, I do my homework regularly. In this way, if you practice regularly or speaking English, it is easy to learn English. I hope you can understand how to make WH question and answer. Today's lesson, how to make WH question on speaking. Thank you, everyone.